United States is preparing one of the biggest overhauls of its legal immigration system in the recent years. The Donald Trump administration has proposed changes to H-1B visas, employment-based green cards, student visas, and work permits. While these proposals are yet to become law, they could reshape the future of skilled immigration. And since Indians are the largest users of all these immigration pathways, they are excited to be the most affected. So what is changing and why is Washington doing it? And what could it mean for India-US ties? Firstly, let us understand that why is the US changing the rules. The proposed reforms are part of the Donald Trump administration's America First policy, which aims to protect American jobs, tighten oversight of employers, and reduce misuse of visa programs. And since these are regulatory changes and not acts passed by the Congress, they will first go through public consultation before becoming the final. Well, why are the Indians most affected? Notably, India dominates almost every major US skilled immigration category, and Indian professionals receive the highest number of H-1B visas, that is, account for the largest employment-based green card backlog and are now the biggest group of international students in the US. And according to the latest Open Doors report, around 3.6 lakh Indian students studied in the US during the 2024-2025 academic year. And this means that even small policy changes could affect thousands of Indian families and businesses. Well, H-1B rules set to become tougher. Notably, the US plans to tighten rules for companies employing H-1B workers, especially all those posted at third-party client locations, a model that is widely used by Indian IT firms. Employers may have to provide stronger proof that workers are performing specialized jobs and remain under their supervision. Companies with past compliance violations could also face stricter scrutiny. And the administration also plans to increase salary requirements and extend additional government fees to H-1B visa renewals, making foreign hiring more expensive. So what is green card? Wait, could become harder. Well, Indian professionals already face some of the world's longest waits for employment-based green cards. And the US has revised its guidance on adjustment of status, encouraging more applicants to complete visa processing outside the nation. And at the same time, the EB2 category for Indians has become unavailable for the current fiscal year, while EB1 has also retrogressed due to the high demand. Changes are also planned for the PERM label certification system, requiring employers to provide more evidence before sponsoring foreign workers. Do you know that student visas may also change? Well, yes, the administration wants to replace the current duration of status system for F1 students with fixed visa periods. Students whose courses extend beyond the approved period would need to apply for extensions, and the government is also reviewing optional practical training, STEM OPT, and curricular practical training, which helps students gain work experience after graduation. And any restrictions could make the transition from education to employment more difficult. Well, what are the other key changes that we need to know? The administration also plans to end automatic extension for employment authorization documents, affecting many H-4 visa holders who are spouses of H-1B workers. And other proposals include higher immigration fees, expanded biometric requirements, and changes to the US citizenship examination process. So what does it mean for India-US relations? Well, these proposals are not directed specifically at India. However, because Indians form the largest share of skilled immigrants, they are likely to face the biggest impact. The reforms may create concerns among Indian students, professionals, and IT companies. However, they are unlikely to damage the broader India-US partnership, which continues to expand in defense, trade, technology, semiconductors, artificial intelligence, and the Indo-Pacific. So what is the bottom line that we need to know? The proposed immigration reforms indicate that the US is moving towards stricter regulation of legal immigration, and for Indians, every stage of the journey from student visas and H-1B jobs to green cards could become more challenging. And most proposals are still under review and may change before becoming law. But one thing is clear, that Indian professionals and students will be watching all these reforms closely, as they could significantly reshape opportunities to study, work, and settle in the United States of America. That's all for now. Stay tuned to the Savera for more updates. Do like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.